got them curls. Put some product in, break it up, break it up, break it up. Ooh, get some Gorilla Snot for your edges, boo, so they don't get you out and flake up. Natural girls all around the world, show me all of your beautiful curls. Kinky, coily, unnappy. You heard India, my hair don't define me. Natural girls all around the world, you shine just as bright as the sun. Just in case you didn't know, you tuned into the naturally mature one. Hey.
Welcome back to my Gary's channel. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell. And also follow us on Instagram on the Naturally Mature One. Bye!
Hey Natural Divas, it is I, the Naturally Mature One, coming to you with another video. Today's video is an unboxing. It's been a while that I have unboxed anything here on my channel. I know I'm a little late with my Boxycharm, but I just recently received it. Because of the pandemic, our mail has been kind of whack. I'm still waiting for a package that I put in the order back in March. No, not March, May. Yeah, May. So hopefully I'll get that package soon and I can share with you all. It's something new I brought for myself. I really needed it. But guys, I'm also trying some new lashes. I'll do a video about these lashes I have on. But I am loving them because I didn't use glue. I didn't use glue. These are magnetic glass eyelashes, and I am just loving them because it was so easy to put on compared to when I do glue. But let me get back to what I'm here for. Today, guys, if you would like to see the unboxing of my my June box, my June Luxie box, continue to watch. Alright guys, here is my June Luxie box. Remember, if you don't know what Boxycharm is a subscription channel or subscription line where you can subscribe on Boxycharm.com, and they have 3 different types of boxes you can get. It's a makeup subscription line, a subscription box also. So it's makeup, skincare, hair care, arts and things you might have in there, but it's majority makeup. It is $25 for a base box, $35 for the premium box, and if you get the Luxie box, which comes every 3 months, it comes up to like $49 something. But you won't get your base box or your premium box. I think you just get your Luxie box. Well, I get a base box every month, and I get this Luxie box every 3 months. So this month is June, which is a Luxie month. I have my Luxie box for June. When I open it up, guys, you get like 6 to 7 full-size items with a Luxie box, I believe. They add up to like a whole lot of money. Even though I'm only paid $49, I'm getting like $200–300 worth of product, so which is amazing to me. The first thing you see when you open up, you usually have a theme card, and his theme card, and it is dealing with Oasis, the Oasis, and here it is. And on the back of it, it lets you know what you bought and how much it costs, and to give you a little description of each one. So let's go through this and see what I got. Alright, the first thing I see pulling out the back is, and also guys, with the Boxycharm, if you do a survey, it lets you let them know how your skin is, what type of makeup you like, what kind of products you like, and you do that survey. And then they also ask you, once a month you get to choose one of your products in your box. And I chose this month to receive because I love sleeping on satin pillowcases and silk pillowcases. But in my choice this month was this Hallmark collectibles, and this is it right here, and it is a satin pillowcase in a rose gold color, which is beautiful. And I got the iPad with it, eye coverage with it, so I'm loving this. I can't wait to use it. But it is, let's see, let me find it here, Hallmark collectibles satin pillowcase and mask set, non-absorbent fabric that reduce hair tangling and skin friction for the ultimate beauty sleep. Set include one standard satin pillowcase with a matching satin eye mask, and it is MSRP $50. And I can believe that because these right here cost some money. I mean, this costs money here, and this is good material right here, which I like. Yeah, I like this. So with this and this, I could see it being $50. And just think, I already got something. This paid for my box right here. I paid for this right here. So I'm loving, can't wait to use this. Alright, the next thing I see in here is, oh, now they give you some lovely skincare. I have gotten some great skincare from Boxycharm, and I have used every last one of them. Like, I have fallen in love with product line Elements with them. I've fallen in love with some moisturizers they have given me, and now they gave me Kylie Skin. I can't wait to try this. Kylie Kardashian, what her name is, has a makeup line and now a skincare line, and this is a foaming product, and this is Kylie Skin by Kylie Jenner foaming face wash. Our luxurious foaming face wash is infused with ultra nourishing kiwi seed oil packed with vitamin C and E to help maintain moisture and improve elasticity. This gentle formula cleanses skin by helping to remove dirt, oil, and makeup for a fresh, bright complexion. And this is $24, MSRP $24. And I love the packaging. You get, how many ounces? You get 5 full ounces, 5 fluid ounces. So I can't wait to try this out. Right now I'm using the Elements skincare foaming wash, so this probably be next month I'll start using it, because I think that'll be gone soon. So let's put that there. The next thing I see is, it's called Bodyography. Here we go here. Bodyography. I don't know what that is. Never had it before. It's a professional cosmetic lip pencil 2-pack. And let me read it here what it says. Let me find it. Okay, Bodyography lip pencil set. Antioxidant lip pencils that glide on like your favorite lipstick with precise pigment, rich color to frame, fill in, and define lips. Enriched with coconut oil and vitamin E. MSRP $28. Girl, I'm loving Boxycharm, because I would have never bought this for $28 damn. I ain't gonna lie to you. Not I said though. Oh yes, I love that color. And the color they gave me was rosewood. Oh, I love this one too. Look at that. Look at that. Look at those 2 colors. Oh yeah, I would use both of those colors. Love it. Let's see how soft. That's like a fall color, and I can use that. Oh, I can use that color too. Let me show y'all guys. Let me swatch it for you. Can you see them? I hope you can see them. They are gorgeous. Gorgeous colors. Alright, so that was $28. I'm loving the box, alright. I'm loving this box this month. Alright, let's sit there right there. Alright, the next thing I see is Marlin Plus Goetz Recovery Treatment Oil. Let's see what this little box is. This botanical oil retreatment absorbs quickly to nourish skin and help improve appearance of fine lines, which I got, wrinkles, which I got, evening primrose, oregon, and jojoba oils help boost hydration. Grapeseed and rose hip oil deliver vitamin C and E to help improve the skin tone. Geranium and boragan oils help balance skin, suitable for all skin types, include sensitive. MSRP $82 freaking dollars. How many ounces is this little thing? 1 full ounce for $82. This must be, oh, look here, look over here, look over here. I can't wait to use, I can't wait to use. Yes, yes. Okay, I can't wait to use that. Come on, Boxycharm, you're bringing it big time this month. Alright, next thing I got is Probiotics and Superfoods by Tula Skincare Glow and Get It Cooling Brightening Eye Balm. Bam! This one states, let me see what it says. This eye balm stick delivers delivers a lit from within glow while instantly hydrating, cooling, and filling in fine lines around the eyes. You'll feel awake with this eye balm and look refreshed and energized, so you can glow and get it. $28. MSRP $28. Okay, let's see. Oh, that's cute. Oh. Oh, it's cool. Oh yes, I can see that working. Let me roll it up some so you can see it. Oh yes. That's going to help in the mornings when my eyes feel like they're going to close up on me. Yes, I love it. Love it, love it, and love it. And I did say it was MSP $28. Tula. Okay. The next thing I got, Perlice Perfect Glow BB Cream, SPF 30, oil free. Alright, they sent me this one, and I think they said they regretted, they were sorry. They sent me an email saying they were sorry they sent it because it is not my color, and I'm not going to open it up. It's a lighter color, so I'll probably give this away to somebody, but it's the BB Cream, whatever it's called. Perlice Perfect Glow BB Cream, and this is complexion perfection for a gorgeous matte meets dewy finish. Your multiple tasking beauty balm glides on like a tinted moisturizer with all the age-defying coverage and sunscreen benefits of a foundation and BB cream. MSRP $35. And what they did, because it's not my color, I probably end up getting, it's a light medium. You know I ain't no damn light medium. Period. They forgot, they sent me an email saying they sent me the wrong color, and they sent me something in place of it. I got 3 masks from Boxycharm to help replace this, so that's fine. I can do that. Alright, and the next thing was Greengrass CBC Head to Cream. Let me see what it says here. This is it right there. It's CBC Head to Toe Cream. This unique formula used 8 THC free CBC for faster absorption. Is also packed with high performance ingredients for intensive hydration, exceptional moisture, plus soothing and calming benefits. Excuse me guys. Great as a daily facial moisturizer or for challenging spots from head to toe. For all skin types, MSRP $60. Oh, it's, I don't smell to it. Let's see if I spray it out, what happens. It do come out like a cream. It has no smell, but it's very satiny like. Oh yes, I'll be using that as a moisturizer. And last but not least, the Tarte High Performing Natural Tarte Pro Palette, Amazonian Clay Palette. Alright, let's see what this says about this. Let me turn it around so you can see it. Prepare for an expression explosion. Being passionate about pigment, this sequel to the OG Pro Palette came to play. This rich, vibrant 20 shades superstar was formulated to celebrate all forms of art and expression. It's ready to rock your world and remix yourself. MSRP $49. So let's open this baby up. I want to open it up. Let's open it up. Let's open it up. Woo, guys. Boxycharm did good this month, because I use all this stuff except for the BB cream. Alright. Oh, they give you like a little pamphlet inside showing you how to make certain type of eyes. And oh, look at it, it's a matte finish on it. Okay, if you can see that, it's a matte finish. And it has like a I got my hands all over this. It's like a mirror like on the back. Let's open it up. Oh yes. Oh, got a beautiful mirror on it. I don't want you the mirror to shine you in your face. It's got a mirror, and here are the colors. Let me cover up the mirror. Here are the colors. They smell amazing. Smell like chocolate and candy. You know how Tarte is. But those are the colors. They have the names under them. It's like they when you can go across and make an eye, or you can mix it up. So I am loving this. This is a keeper, and this, as I said, was MSRP $49. So Tarte did an amazing job. I mean, Boxycharm did an amazing job, and I'm just curious how much all this came up to be, because this is some expensive stuff in here for $49 that I spent. Okay, let me get my calculator, as my girlfriend Palmer said, my calculator. Let's see. All right, $24, $35, 20. Go back there. $28, $49, $50, $56. Oh God. $82 and $28. I paid $49 for this freaking box, and I'm just amazed. It came up to $352, if you can see that. $352. Guys, you can't beat that. You can't beat it. You better check out Boxycharm. I'm gonna put the link down here at the bottom. Check them out. Check them out, people. Check them out. This is amazing. So hopefully I'll be coming back with some videos showing you some of my how some of the stuff is. I love everything I got this month. Gonna be using everything except for the BB cream, because it's too light. And I want to try BB cream, but I can't get with that. I gotta have a foundation, guys. I'm serious. I got to get me a foundation with my stuff. I don't mean no home. But here's the whole box, and I am pleased with it. So if you'd like to know more about Boxycharm, hit the link down the bottom. You can, you know, go and check it out for yourself. If you have tried Boxycharm and you love it, put down there that you have. If you have tried another kind of subscription box line, hit down there and tell me about it, so I might want to go check it out and see if I want to buy it. So thank you guys again for all your love. Remember to love hard, laugh often, and live in the moments. Smooches.
Hey, 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 yeah. Hey, hey. You can define them. You can even mask them. You can even twirl them around your little